Obisi wa mwandiki munene wa ciama cia kiuteti ni wamenda enenthe kuikithia kana nimeyu milioni bailite kukuna kula unyubanini munene wukite wa mwaka wa 2027 ainene kabindani kalame na kikalo musini wa masako cha kunenanisia maundu makonete kwiyumbanisia unyubani Anne Kaberere ulani munene wa maundu ma kwianisia na kuongela utonyi ni waweta kana ngwatanio ya kila mwene nthi unyubanini ikasangia banene kwiania kwa demokrasia ya Kenya. Karo
ainena kavindani kalame na kikalova musini wa masaku na ikundi isi kivathukanyo kivo cha muvea wa unyuvani na mivaka Anne Kaberere ulane umwe kikundini cha kuongelela utonyi muvea ni usu ni waweta kana a Kenya ni mailite kwiyumilia undu vailite kukuna kula ni kana kwa ilia unyuvani usu wa mwaka ukite wa 2027.
So we have organized capacity building of various stakeholders within the political space so that the citizen can engage with in the political and electoral processes. So these programs are supposed to do a preparedness for all the citizens. We are trying to strengthen their participation in the election.
Nake munene wa muvea wa unyuvani na mivaka IEBC uvonge wa masakune Lilongo ni waweta kanathi na munene wa Kenya ni kulea kukuna livoti la muona mundu kwika uvathukanu na mea ya unyuvani ayumia ukanyo kwa mundu wonthe ula kukwatikana na mavito wa sunu kwasi wa matambia mai makemeao.
Wakati matukosa yametokea lazima yashughulikiwe. Na hasa kipindi cha kampeni, the election period, the one that is gazetted as the electioneering period, and that is when the code of conduct comes into force. We need to secure our country and ensure that we are operating in a peaceful environment. Huo ndio wito wetu. And it takes you and me to ensure this environment is safe.
Okavindani kau Jacqueline Nziva umwe wa alame kukitia ivila si kivathukanyo ni waweta kana kumasomethia enenthi kwati ya mea ya unyuvani ni kumatethesia muno na kumekia vinya ateti maka alame na wia wa kukitia ivila isu.
Of course we have learnt about the laws governing elections and also the code of conduct which we are supposed to know. Political parties code of conduct that we have learnt a lot, and many voters are wooed to vote for the wrong people. So my people, don't be wooed by the wrong politicians who want to just woo you to get to the wrong leaders.
Ovamwe nau akani makulwa meyandikithia na ciama cia kiuteti matena wia ni kana methiwe na ivuso iseo ya kukitia ivila si kivathukanyo cia utongoi vaanthi ya Kenya.
We're hoping we'll aim higher. Women deserve more, women deserve better, and we're hoping that they're able to just understand that they are covered by the law, they have their rights.
Ndilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvo kumavaa musini wa masaku ni Karo wa Munyoki.